Ready for a reality upgrade? Welcome to the Reality Capture and Digitization Technology Access Center, the heart of advanced technology at College of the North Atlantic in St. John's, Newfoundland and Labrador. Our center provides organizations of all sizes with easy access to world-leading equipment and expertise that might otherwise be out of reach. Our cutting-edge tools help our clients tackle real-world problems with innovative solutions. Working closely with the college's Office of Applied Research and Innovation, we deliver the highest level of technical knowledge and support. If we don't have what you need, our nationwide reach through Tech Access Canada ensures we can still help you get it. So, what exactly is reality capture? It's simply creating a 3D digital model of our world by using light and lasers to scan it. When manipulating this data, you're only limited by your imagination. Its potential applications are truly limitless. Our work transforms industries and achieves extraordinary results. In mining, we don't just map the precise locations of minerals. We redefine the possibilities of resource extraction with unparalleled accuracy. Our expert team has also helped monitor underground mine ventilation systems and collect realistic 3D data to help build a digital twin to facilitate remote operations capabilities. In the construction sector, our 3D models are game changers. They guarantee precise measurements and integrate with industry-standard software like CAD and GIS. Our clients say even their cost estimates are more accurate. Our clients in the automotive and aerospace industries leverage our cutting-edge digital models to simplify complex processes, enhancing precision and productivity. Heritage preservation is another area where we shine. We're creating a comprehensive digital database of historic properties throughout Newfoundland and Labrador. Our detailed 3D models capture every architectural nuance, ensuring these treasures are preserved and maintained for future generations. Our center was deeply honored to contribute to the commemoration of Newfoundland and Labrador's sacrifice during the First World War. Our 3D model played a significant role in the completion of the final statue of the Trail of the Caribou in Gallipoli, Turkey. These achievements are just the beginning. Our capabilities and the applications of our work are truly boundless. Whatever your vision, we have the expertise and advanced technology to help you realize it. So, what cool tools are we talking about? Our high-resolution scanners create detailed 3D models and conduct precise inspections. Compact scanners capture vibrant, colorized point clouds of buildings, even in the tightest spaces. For underground and hard-to-reach areas, our handheld and drone-based LiDAR units are unbeatable. We map both indoor and outdoor environments with ease using our backpack and car-mounted systems. Our drones excel in aerial tasks, from coastline surveys to river mapping. With advanced cameras, we inspect hazardous areas, monitor forest health, and analyze soil with precision. Our compact drones are perfect for training and mapping, capturing stunning bird's-eye view aerial videos. At RCD TAC, our expert team is here to supercharge your R&D with 3D modeling to create detailed, accurate 3D representations for design and analysis, advanced geomatics technology using cutting-edge tools to collect and analyze geographic data, data collection and visualization that gathers and presents complex data in clear visual formats. Digital twinning to create virtual replicas of physical objects or systems for real-time monitoring and management. Drones for aerial surveys, inspections, and data collection, reaching hard-to-access areas. And even virtual and augmented reality to develop immersive experiences for training, design, and visualization. We also offer applied research partnerships to solve real-world problems using the latest technologies to drive innovation. Prototype support to help develop and refine new products, turning ideas into tangible, working models. Specialized training to ensure your team can effectively use the latest technology, from basic skills to advanced techniques. And even technology consulting services, guiding you through adopting and integrating new technologies to stay ahead of the curve. With our state-of-the-art equipment, expert team, and commitment to excellence, we're here to help turn your vision into reality captured. We want to get your R&D results quickly. We want to inform your decisions to help achieve successful outcomes. We want to connect you with our extensive network across the country for broad support. And most of all, we want you to benefit from the latest technology, equipment, and expertise. Ready to upgrade? Let us help you with your challenges, ideas, and innovations. Reach new heights with RCD TAC.